Good morning, fifth grade. I hope you guys had a wonderful Monday. Happy Tuesday. Our work today is going to be pretty light, not a ton of new activities for you. We are going to be reading chapter 15. It is a long chapter. If you listen to it, it took me about 15 minutes to read out loud. So make sure you have 15 minutes to sit down and listen to this story. Remember, you can read it on your own too. Don't forget to click here and take notes. You should have 14 and 15 notes done so far this week. I'm going to give you a little bit of time today for those of you that have not finished your fifth grade memory. That's the only other assignment that you have today because it's due tomorrow. So if you have not carved out some time yet to finish this writing, make sure that you do that today so that you can get it turned in by tomorrow. If you've not done journal, that'd be a great option today too, because there's not a ton else for you to do once you read chapter 15. So make sure you get that journal done. Also, remember, you can click down here for extra activities. If you have some extra time and you want to try out one of those new websites, feel free to do that. For our Hangouts today, we are going to review our grammar skill. Remember, we're talking about the theirs and the its and the yours. So if you want a little extra practice with that, remember you will have a quiz. It'll be on Thursday this week. So make sure that you know when to use the different spellings of those words because they all mean something different. So come hang out. We'll do a little review with that activity. And then we'll talk about our novel study. We'll talk about Woods Runner and where we are and what we've read. So make sure you come to Hangouts today. Our joke is, what's worse than finding a worm in your apple? Come to Hangouts to find what's worse than finding a worm in your apple. Also, congratulations to Trace. He was our gift card winner for this week. Wonderful job, fifth grade. I've been so impressed with the work that you've been doing and how you've stayed on top of it. So keep it up.